Hello, I'm Greg Lambrecht, founder and inventor of Coravin. Welcome to the Coravin Wine by the Glass lifestyle. I created Coravin Timeless because I wanted the freedom to enjoy a glass of wine from any bottle at any time, without ever worrying about when I'd return to it. As a wine lover and inventor, I knew there had to be a better way to experience wine without waste and without compromise. Today, I'll walk you through how to use the Coravin Timeless Wine by the Glass system. The system we created so that you can enjoy your favorite wines one glass at a time without ever removing the cork. Let me show you how it works. The Timeless 3 Plus Wine by the Glass system comes with the Timeless 3, 2 Coravin Pure Argon capsules, 2 Timeless Standard screw caps, 1 Timeless aerator, 1 needle clearing tool, and a bottle sleeve. Installing your capsule. Coravin Timeless is powered by Pure Argon, the same food-safe gas used during the wine bottling process. Each Coravin Pure capsule is filled with pure argon gas that pressurizes the bottle to allow the wine to flow out of the system spout, then blankets the remaining wine once the system is removed. To install your Coravin Pure Argon capsule, start by sliding the clamps up using the clamp release. Unscrew the capsule cup, insert a capsule, and screw the cup back on tightly. You'll hear a click sound when the argon capsule is punctured. Slide the clamps back down to their starting position. Each capsule will allow you to pour 15 5-ounce or 150 milliliter glasses of wine. Before you pour, make sure your wine bottle has a natural cork. If you firmly push the cork with your thumb and the cork moves, do not use Coravin Timeless. For these instances, we recommend Coravin Pivot Wine by the Glass system. For Coravin screw cap wine, use the Coravin screw cap accessory included with your system. Each screw cap can be punctured up to 75 times and keep remaining wine fresh for up to 6 months. Synthetic closures are not compatible with Timeless systems. Let's pour your first glass. Align the clamps over the bottleneck, then press down firmly and smoothly on the handle to insert the needle through the cork. Tilt the bottle so that your spout is over the glass and the bottom of the bottle is raised higher than the spout. Quickly press and release the trigger to pour. Wine flows when you release the trigger. Short presses conserve gas. And just like that, you're pouring, without even opening the bottle. To pour using the Timeless aerator, simply attach the aerator to the system spout. The aerator rapidly aerates wine as you pour, yielding silky smooth aromatic results equivalent to decanting for 60 to 90 minutes. We also recommend leaving the foil on the bottle when using Coravin Timeless to avoid the risk of older or damaged corks being pushed out of the bottle when using Coravin. Damaged or flawed wine bottles may break when pressurized. Use the provided wine bottle sleeve to reduce the risk of any injury from broken glass. Once you're done pouring, tilt the bottle back upright while leaving the spout in the glass. To remove the Wine by the Glass system, hold the bottle at a 45-degree angle with one hand on the bottle and the other on the system handle. Gently pull the Timeless off in one fluid motion. The cork will naturally reseal, keeping your wine fresh as if it were never opened. Do not leave the system on the bottle. Always remove it after pouring to avoid any chance of oxidation. Remember the 4 C's of Coravin. First is closure. With Timeless, ensure your bottle has a natural cork or screw cap. Second is clearing. Before each use, press and release the trigger to clear your system of air or any remaining wine. Number 3 is cleaning. After each use, be sure to give your Coravin system a rinse with warm water through the spout. And finally, cellar. Treat each bottle like you intend it to last, storing it on its side in a cool, dark environment. It's as simple as that. I hope you enjoy the freedom Coravin provides to enjoy wine by the glass as much as I do. Cheers.